Jesus Christ! Evasive maneuvers! Go, go, go!
Well, we're not even part of the game. This is valid arrest. Why won't you stay in your damn box, please? Alan, why do I have to hit my face every episode, please? Water physics, damn it.
Shut up.
Heavy traffic. Aw, Gilbert found true love. Okay, what the That's it, you pissed me off. I'm getting my Mac Chromebook IRS and I'm beating your fucking ass.
Let's go to the woods and hope Jason isn't there. Did you know, just so the creator can actually get my voice, they actually gotta get their throat so deep into the microphone it sounds like they're dying. Isn't that cool?